Hello everyone and welcome friends to this video. Today I will show you how to open ADIB Zero Balance Account. So guys, go to official website ADIB and you see this option apply now. Click apply now and then just await to loading this page. Download the app guys. After download the app, all you have to do guys, go to write your mobile number and email address and write your invite code if you don't have codes, and from here complete this steps task and employment statement and your age, and from here guys scan your document, Emirates ID and password to verify your identity. Then this is how you can do guys. Just click apply now and download the app guys from App Store or Play Store, and then complete these simple steps guys, your information here and you scan document from here. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and share this video for more content. This is the dashboard guys. When you complete steps to verification identity, you see all information here. You see your account from here, balance.